Hey again. I think for now everything is good, but let me just add some final things. Like here, I want to add some spaces before the word. So if I just go here to my layouts, I would go here and say ticket, and in the ticket. So if you remember, this is the ticket, and because I wanted to start little bit, I don't want them to start in the same place, so I want to add padding. Padding, that mean inside the object. Margin mean between object and another object. So I say Android padding. I add padding from the left. So make sure from the left I add 10 pt. That means I'm in same object, still my object in same size, but add padding inside the object. See, I still holding in the place, but adding padding for myself. So yes, I think this one will be make it a little bit nicer. And also let me just change the top bar and other places. So looking back here in Google, this web page for using material themes, you see how everything represented by name. Like for example, this toolbar name it text color primary. So if you want to change this name, you call some properties in the theme name it text color primary. If you want to change this one, you call something named color primary. If you want to change this one color, you call someone color primary print. And this one, see, so this one, these two of them, let me just take these two. Which one of them is color primary? That's mean this one. Second one is the color primary drink, which is he mean this one. Yes, so let me just copy them. So this one color primary mean this line, and color primary drink mean that line. So let me just copy both of them, go back to my project. I will go to the values here now for style. See, this is my style. He say color primary. You know that the primary color, you see it, which is here. Okay, so looking into this website, you see here you have different properties to manage your page. If you see the top bar, name it color primary dark. So to manage it, you have to call properties, name it color primary dark. So if I go here to my values style, I see he say color primary dark, he give it this color. For that reason, you see the top in that color. So then if you just go more, he say this one, name it primary color, which is this one. If you go to the code here, you say here something named color primary, give it color whatever. So let me suppose I give it another color, which is that only the color that I know, F9, 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 F9. So if this is a primary color. Now if I just rerun it, you would see this menu will change it, because the color primary mean this one, and the color primary dark mean the top one. So see, he changed it to this color, see it? And the color accent, let me see what he mean by color accent. Going here, oops, you have to see color accent, I think mean the internal. So then this also Windows background also. So everyone have specific thing. I want to change this color and this color only. Going back to colors, I remember we just defined number of color blue or whatever. Let me just copy these and add them to my colors. So I could use them here. I use them. So what do you think, which color you like? Let me try this one, the green one, and see, not the green, dark blue. I think dark blue, nicer. So if I just go to style, I say, hey, I want my primary color to be at color / dark blue. So hopefully this color will be like nicer for us as a top menu in our application. So you just learn how to use styling things. Yes, so wait a second and see how he do that. So if we like it, we will continue with it. If we not, that's totally fine. But you have to know this one will work only on new version of devices, like I think after 18. Before that, it does effect, but will not work. You will use the standard one. So I doesn't have to click that one. I just have to click run and see what is going on, but I don't know why I clicked that one. So let me wait for seconds and see when he done. And while he is loading, let me introduce you to another thing, which is this bar. This bar was represented by navigation color bar. So if you want to change this one, you have to call something named navigation color bar. I don't know how to spell it, but let me see if it is here. Navigation color bar, just take it. If you not, let me just try to rewrite it. So while he's loading, hopefully he able to give me the new color on the top. I doesn't have to do all that. I just have to click run and he will show me. See, this is my new color, and the tops I think is nicer. Also, if I just use it that one, let me use another color for the very top, which is, let me use this, look like Facebook thing. So if you just go here, I say, hey, I need this one be this color, should be fine. Also, the down below, let me just just define item, and the item, give it name. Did you remember what the name of it? This one was the name of it, navigation bar color. So just go to look for navigation bar color. That's mean the down one. You could give it any color. So let me see if it color. What color you want? Give it white, blue, whatever. So if you like this one, give it a blue. If you just search for any colors here, just make it like nicer. Use this one, dark green. Maybe you like it, maybe not. So I don't think you need to use word Android. You just navigation bar color, and that is. So now I just run this one, because if you change only XML, just run this one. You don't have to run all the project. That one will reload the XML things. So now you will see this one, this color for this one will also be changed. He will not use the black one. Wait, he give me error. He say navigation bar color. I don't know what you mean by that. But wait a second. What was the color? Navigation bar color? Navigation bar color? What the color name? Navigation bar color. He have to read it. I don't know why he wasn't able to get that one. Yes, I know that, because the devices version, I think we will not be able to support all the devices. So I say navigation bar color. Yes, I think what the error here saying. Yes, this one, that's mean he will not work on all the devices. So just run it and see. Why I click run? I have to click just the XML. I don't know, I just do it so fast. So he give you this notation, I think, because this one will not work on all type of devices, only will work on US version. See? Yes. See, now he work here. He show you that color and the down, that color at the top, and everything sounds cool. I want to make them all the same color, so make my application professional. So what do you think? Which color is best? That one or this one? See, it sounds good. I think using a green will be nice, but I like that one. So let me use custom blue. So everything custom blue. Hopefully now will work. So as I told you, he used Android navigation because this one, see, is require API version 21 and after. That means this one will work on 21 and after, but the version before that it will not work. I guess it's custom blue. See, yes. Sounds good to me for now. Like, yeah, yes, nice layout. What he did? Why he did not update everything? I think I need to reload the custom blue so he will be able to update everything. So yes, whatever any color you want to change it in the layout, just see the properties name and go to the style and update it, and you will be totally fine. See, this is my application. I like it. Everything is green, styling nice. Yes, so let's go to next and do more work.